Hey everyone, McKenna Fenney here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and welcome to 57 O'Brien. Located in a serene and quiet street in the outskirts of Peterborough. This house has been lovingly cherished by the original owners for many, many years. And now it's time for the new family to continue that legacy of love. Welcome home. As we know, every house tells a story, and this one is kind of one of my favorites. The original owners had purchased this house, they planted a seed, and they let their roots hit the ground. It is a custom-built home, and these people have cherished memories here for many, many years. Of course, they've sat here on days enjoying the beautiful wood fireplace while watching the snow fall down. Hosted so many family dinners in this very room where you could then continue those cherished memories. And as we come right into the kitchen, they did have this custom built. And again, the walls were filled with nothing but love. With 3 generously sized bedrooms, big closets, and a lot of space to continue growing that family tree, it does have a 4-piece bathroom upstairs, but I've got so much more to show you, so let's keep going. With a full-size basement and above-grade windows that don't make you feel like you're in a basement, that is something that I call beautiful natural lighting. With that being said, you can imagine what this space would look like with your very own touch. Did you want a space where the kids are going to come down and play and have a playroom? Maybe you want your own rec room. Maybe you're gonna put a pool table, a bar. Guess what? The options are endless, and that's up to you. Have you been dreaming of living the city, leaving the hustle and bustle, worrying about your kids going out and playing in the yard, running into the street? There's so many cars, so much going on. But with this location, your kids have an entire backyard filled with serene landscaping that you don't have to worry about any of that. With the kitchen facing back here, I could imagine myself prepping and looking out the window and watching my family blossom. That being said, these garden beds were once filled with raspberry bushes, rhubarb, you name it, it was there. There has an entire garden for you to continue on with that legacy, and not to mention, there are Concorde grape vines in the back. Let's go check that out. Of course, if you're gonna buy a country home, you need some space to put all of those toys, because you and I both know you're going to be buying a lot of them. With this double car detached garage, you have lots of space for all of it. Not to mention, it's 2 levels. So down below, there is a workshop where the father here used to spend many hours doing woodworking. And it can be all yours with, of course, hydro running out to this beautiful building. Now, check this out. We've got Concorde grapevines by the dozen. I can't get over it because I don't know about you, if you've been to the grocery store lately, things are pretty expensive. Not here. It's free. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of this home video. 57 O'Brien does have so much to offer if you're looking for that country lifestyle. And of course, call the number above if you're looking for your own private tour. Anyone from our team would be more than happy to help you with that. And subscribe if you're looking for more awesome home tours just like this one. But I'll catch you on the next video.